Welcome. This week we're looking at Scratchy the cat, and we're looking at what happens when the balloon touches the cat. Now the sensing block, which is what we're working with, can be a little bit fiddly. If you're finding you're having troubles with the sensing block and it's not registering the touch, you can click on File, make a copy, save a copy, or you can start a new project and duplicate the blocks. You need to know that because it's not your fault. It's a glitch in the program and sometimes it happens. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the hat block for when the flag is clicked. We're going to use an if statement, which is branching. And we're going to use the sensing block. And we're going to use that in the diamond. So if Scratchy the cat touches the balloon, what do we want to happen? We want to play a sound. I'm just using pop, but you can use whatever sound you like. And then I'm going to hide the cat. Now at the moment, that's only going to play once. Regardless of where the balloon is, it will only play once. So what we're going to do is put a forever loop on there so that it will continue to play, because remember, the balloon has a program that it will run 10 times. At the moment, if the cat touches the balloon, it'll play the pop sound and disappear, and that will run forever. But we need to make the cat reappear after that loop is finished, if it is hidden, so that we actually can see the cat get touched by the balloon again. So let's get the show block. I'm going to put it in here. So what will happen is if it's hidden, it will show. If it touches the balloon, play a pop sound, hide, goes back up to the top. If it's hidden, it will show. If it's not hidden, it doesn't matter. It will be showing. So let's have a look. So you can see the cat's disappearing. The cat's not disappearing for very long. So every time it reappears, it pops. So what we want to do is we want to put a pause on there. And a pause is in the control blocks. So we want it to hide for 1 second. I'm going to move the balloon. You can okay, and the cat comes back and disappears. Now what we want to do is we want to the balloon stopped running then. It only ran for 10 cycles. But the cat is running forever, which is why it kept popping. But at this stage, the game is going fairly well. If you want, you can go in and adjust timings to suit yourself and your skill set. So remember, this purpose of this game is that Scratchy avoids the balloon. So you might adjust your balloon falling speed to -5, the distance it's falling each time. You might like to increase your movement steps if that's too hard for you or for the people who are playing it. Or at this point you could reduce, it's up to you. So have a play, see what you like. The other thing you could do at this stage is, rather than have the repeat for 10 times, you could have a forever loop on there as well and use a forever loop instead of repeat 10 times. And that's the end of the lesson this week, so I will catch you next time.